In this video we will talk about the structure of a Java program. So as we can see here, the class is like a package. The outermost body or the outermost part of this package is basically the class declaration. So in a Java program, first we declare a class. A class can have many variables. So Java has the concept of instance variable and static variable. We will talk about it later, but for now understand that a class can have many variables. In fact, similarly, a class can have a single method or more than one methods. So we see there is method 1, then method 2, and similarly method n. So there could be any number of methods. And again, Java has this concept of access modifiers and static methods. So we will learn about these keywords, but for now, just know that there could be n number of methods and similarly n number of variables in a Java class. Now, a Java project can have many classes, in fact, but there will always be a single entry class that will be run directly via JVM when we launch our project or our program, and that class must have one public class and one main method, which is important. So the entry point of the project or the entry class of the project must have one main method, because main is a special method. Whenever we launch a project or whenever we launch a program, JVM checks the existence of main method. If it finds the main method, JVM will run the code inside the main method that will eventually trigger the whole process. So let's move on to a simple maybe code, a Java code. How would it look like, but from theory perspective? So again, we are not going to run anything, we will just see it on the screen. How do we write a simple Java program? So we start with the class. First we declare the class. So let's say I write this. It means, okay, let me just first write the code and we will talk about it then. Public static void main string system dot out dot println hello world. So this is a very simple Java program, and on a computer, when we will write this program, we'll have to save it with the name hello world. So the file name must match the name of the public class. So here we see that this is a public class, so the name of the file must be the name of the public class, which is hello world dot java, which is the extension of a Java program. Now public is an access modifier and it says this class is public. Any other code in our project can use it, the attributes of this class and the methods of this class. So this is basically a public class. Class is a keyword that says what we are declaring right here, what we are writing right here is a class. So that's how we define a class. Outermost body here to here is basically the body of the class, and the name of that class is hello world. This class doesn't have any variables, but what it does have is a single method, main. Now main again has the access modifier which must be public. It is a static method, we will talk about it later. Void means that method doesn't return anything. So void is a return type. Main is the name of the method. And here it says that it accepts a single argument, which is basically an array. Square bracket means an array of type string. This is the data type of that array. So it says that I have a main method which accepts a single argument of type string array. This is a name, it could be anything, it's up to you. So this is the name of that parameter, so I'm simply saying it as a. it's up to us. We may or may not use this parameter. It is basically used to get the runtime arguments, the variables or the arguments that you will pass while running your program. Next, what we are doing in this line is we are trying to print some value on the console. So we call it system.out.println. Println is again a method, and we are passing this string value to this method. Now if we run this program, what it will do, it will print this value on the console. So on the console output we will see the message hello world. So here we see the outermost declaration is class, then inside class we have a single method, and if we try to define, if we want to define, we can declare multiple instance variables here, but not in this lecture. Maybe in one of the future lectures we will talk about the variables and different data types and access modifiers and other keywords. Thank you.